Alright, guys, I've got so many rails here, it's crazy. So you can get all these brand new colors. We've got the red, the jet black, and we've got a black. We've got a brand new color that's never been seen before. I don't know, what do you call it? Rainbow? Iridium? We're gonna call it the Prism. And it's available. All these colors are available in both X10 for your extended rails for the big tire builds, and also in X7. And if you buy the whole kit from Fungineers, the front box, the foot pads, the battery, the rails, and the Superflux, of course, the Mark III, that's what it's gonna look like. And I always tell my friends, no fingerprints on my Prism rails. Yeah, that's all. I don't know what I'm gonna do with all these rails.